Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Chromebook with Google account detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into your Chromebook with your Google account, start by turning on your device. Press the power button located on the side or top of the Chromebook. Once your device powers on, you will see the login screen. If this is your first time using the Chromebook, you may see a welcome screen. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. Next, select your language from the options available. Choose your keyboard layout if prompted. Connect to a Wi-Fi network by clicking on the network icon in the bottom right corner. Select your network from the list and enter the password if required. Once connected, return to the login screen. Now, enter the Google account email address that you want to use to log in. After typing your email, click Next. Then, enter your Google account password in the provided field. Click Next again to continue. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. Once logged in, you may see a prompt to accept terms and conditions. Review the terms and click Accept to proceed. After the initial setup, your Chromebook will prepare your account. This may take a few moments. Once this process is complete, you will be taken to the Chrome desktop. Congratulations, you are now logged into your Chromebook with your Google account. Explore all the features and tools available to you. Enjoy using your Chromebook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.